To manage your contacts, click on the Contacts tab. You can add a new single contact by typing the person's first name, last name, country code, phone number, and clicking on the Add Contact button. After adding, you can see it in all contacts. But if you want to add multiple contacts at once, download the Excel template. Fill in the details like first name, last name, country code, phone number, email, company name, and more. Now, upload this Excel or CSV file by clicking on the Upload Excel button. Click on the Check and Upload button. Click on Upload and it will be done. If there are any errors in the Excel sheet, you will see the errors file. Now let's see how to create a group. Click on the Saved Group button. Click on Create New Group. Type the name of the group and hit Create. You can view the group by clicking on View button. Now, click on this button to add contacts in this group. Select the contacts and click Add to Group button. You can check the updated group now. Similarly, if you want to remove some contacts from the group, then select those contacts and click on this red button.